Hello everyone, welcome back. Today let's discuss how to calculate equivalent weight. Equivalent weights of element, an ion, a salt and an acid. So let's start with an element. Here is the formula: atomic weight by valency. Suppose the equivalent weight of sodium. Atomic weight of sodium is 23 and the valency. It is the number of electrons the element loses or gains to achieve octet configuration. So sodium loses one electron, so its valency is 1. So its equivalent weight is 23. Coming to aluminium. Its molecular weight, atomic weight, it's 27. And it loses 3 electrons to get octet. So its valency is 3. So its equivalent weight is 9. Simple. Let's take an example of oxygen. Its atomic weight is 16. And it gains 2 electrons to achieve octet configuration. So its valency is 2. And its equivalent weight is 8. So now let's discuss equivalent weight of ion. It is formula weight by charge, magnitude of charge. Let's take an example of sulfate ion, SO4 2-. SO4 2-. So the formula weight, molecular weight of SO4 is sulfur, it's 32, and for oxygen it is 16. 4 oxygens are there, so 64. Total it's 96. The weight of SO4 is 96 divided by charge, either negative charge or positive charge, but only number we should take because it's magnitude, 96 by 2. So the equivalent weight of ion SO4 2- is 48. Let's take phosphate ion, PO4 3-. So now first calculate PO4's atomic weight. Phosphorus atomic weight is 31, so it's 95. PO4 weight is 95 divided by 3 because here magnitude of charge is 3. So it's 31.6. So now let's discuss equivalent weight of acid. Molecular weight of acid by basicity. If you want to calculate basicity, if you know how to calculate basicity, I have done a video on basicity. You can see there. Suppose take an acid, it's H2SO4, sulfuric acid. Its molecular weight is 98 because SO4 molecular weight is 96. We have discussed earlier, and add 2 hydrogens, so 98. So now I'll also discuss what is basicity here. I'll draw structure of H2SO4, S double bond O and another double bond O and 2 OH groups. So basicity is number of replaceable hydrogen ions. What are hydrogen ions? When the hydrogen forms bond with oxygen, these are called replaceable hydrogen ions. So here are 2 OH groups. So the basicity is 2. If there are 3 OH groups, the basicity will be 3. So it's 49. Equivalent weight of sulfuric acid is 49. Let's take HCl. There is no oxygen here, but the basicity is 1 because there is only one hydrogen. 36.5 by 1. It's 36.5. Coming to salt. Equivalent weight of salt is formula weight by charge. It refers ion. If you see here, so like NaCl is a salt. So what is the weight of NaCl? For Cl it is 35.5 and sodium it is 23 and total it is 58.5. 58.5 by what is charge here? These get split into Na plus and Cl minus. So magnitude of charge is 1. So equivalent weight of NaCl is 58.5. Let's take MgCl2 or AlCl3. Its weight is aluminium, it's of 27 plus chlorine 3 into 35.5 divided by, here charge is, it splits into Al plus 3 and 3 Cl minus. So 3 is the magnitude of charge. So it's molecular weight by 3. It's equivalent weight of this salt. So if it's really helpful, just like and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.